Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see how to create multiple dependent drop-down lists up to 3 levels in Excel. For example, let's say you're dealing with categories, subcategories and items, each in their respective columns where I want to have the drop-down list to be configured. In this setting sheet, I have the list of categories and the subcategories which are dependent on categories, and then I have the list of items which are further dependent on subcategories. So you have to arrange your data like this in this manner. First, what we need to do is naming the ranges for our convenience. Select the range of cells under category A3 to A6. Go to Formulas tab and in the Define Names group, click on Create from Selection. Here, select the top row as a name and click OK. Now this range of cells has been named as category. You can check the same by clicking the Name Manager. Similarly, select the range of all subcategories under each category name and name the ranges like this by selecting the top row as the header. Okay. So these will be the names. Now, once you're done with naming the ranges, go to the main sheet. Select the cell where you want the first drop-down list, go to Data, then Data Validation, choose List as your validation criteria and select your category column range as the source, or simply you can mention the name that we have given for this range, which is category. This becomes your first level drop-down list. For the second level, select the cell next to the first drop-down list. Again go to Data, then Data Validation, choose List and use the indirect function to dynamically refer to the corresponding subcategory column based on the selected category. So I type here as equals to indirect, open the parenthesis, type the cell A4, only lock it on the left side, close the parenthesis. Okay. Now for the third level, select the cell next to the second drop-down list. Repeat the process, but this time use the indirect function to refer to the corresponding items column based on the selected subcategory. So I type here as equals to indirect, open the parenthesis, select the cell B4, close the parenthesis and lock it only onto the left side and then click OK. Now it's done. Let's test the drop-down list. In cell A4, I select category from drop-down as electronics, and in cell B4, I see only phones and laptops as the subcategories in the drop-down. Select laptops. In cell C4, I see MacBook, Dell, HP as the options to select. Got it? So that's all about creating multiple dependent drop-down lists up to 3 levels in Excel. This technique is fantastic for organizing complex datasets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.